Now let's look at the flat keys, which will be going around this way. And we no longer will have the clock analogy of 1 o'clock, 1 sharp, 2 o'clock, 2 sharps. That only works around the sharp keys for up to 7 sharps, all the sharps. 1 flat is the key of F. And the key of F has B flat in it. What pattern can we find for finding which key is the next one and what flat it has in it? So to go around the flats, you go up 1/4. For the sharps, going around this way, we went up 1/5. Going this direction, we're going to go up 1/4. So here is the key of C, and the first 4 notes are C, D, E, F. So we get to F. We get to F. Now, the way we know that there's a B flat, then we play the F scale. We go up 4. Now, the reason I know it's a B flat and not a B, every time we go up 4, we play the first note, we go up a whole step, meaning that we skip a note, we skip a key, another whole step, we skip this key, and then a half step. This is a half step here, there's no key in between. So, 1 whole step, a second whole step, and a half step. A half step between the 3rd and the 4th note. So, when we go up for a perfect 4th from F, whole step, half step. That's how we know that the F scale has a B flat in it. The fingering is 1, 2, 3, 4 for the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. This flat names the next key because we are going around in 4ths. So, going up a 4th from C to F, we also go up a 4th to find out the flat in F, and that also names the next key because we're going up in 4ths. So, the key of B flat has 2 flats. You take the last flat and then you add 1. B flat, and how do we find out what the last flat is? We go up a 4th again from B flat. Whole step, half step. And we get E flat. So E flat is up a 4th, a perfect 4th, from B flat. Oh, this is how we get the 2 flats. The last flat always names the next key. So we went up a 4th from C to F, up a 4th to get the B flat that's in F, as well as the name of the next key. We took the key of B flat has the last flat, plus we added 1 that's up a 4th from it, and also names the next key. Then we take the last flats, B flat, E flat, and we have to add 1 more. We go up a 4th from E flat, and we get whole step, half step, A flat. So the key of E flat has B flat, E flat, and A flat. And the last flat names the next key. the key of A flat. What does the key of A flat have in it? It's got B flat, E flat, A flat, and up a fourth from A flat is the one we have to add. A flat, whole step, half step. What flat is this? It could look like C sharp, or it could look like what flat? D flat. We never mix sharps and flats, so these are all flats here going around this way. The key of A flat has B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Now, D flat is the name of the next key. D flat is the same as C sharp. That's an enharmonic. Those notes are enharmonic, C sharp or D flat. It's the same thing. So here is where we overlap. We go up a fourth and we get the key of D flat, which is a different spelling for the key of C sharp. And we take the previous flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and we go up a fourth from D flat to get the next key. But we're going to overlap these three on the bottom. From D flat up a fourth, perfect fourth, is what flat? We see F sharp, also called G flat. There's the F sharp, or G flat. Take the previous flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, it spells bead, and G flat. Now we have to add one more. A perfect fourth up from G flat, whole step, half step. What flat is this? It looks like a B, which happens to be there with all its sharps. But what flat is it? It's C flat. This is C, this is C flat. 7 flats, everything flat, which makes sense because C has no sharps or flats. If you flat the C, you flat everything. So the key of C flat has, oh, I'm sorry. That's the last flat here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flats. Or if it's F sharp, it's 6 sharps. It's at 6 o'clock here. And then the C flat has everything flat. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and we need to, one more flat. We go up a fourth again from C flat, the last flat, we go up a fourth. Whole step, half step. What flat is this? There's F, there's F flat. It's a half step down from F, so it's F flat. And now we have completed our circle of fifths for the major keys. Sorry for the distracting other items on there. Here we go. There is the entire circle of fifths for the major keys, and it's also referred to as the circle of fourths or fifths. Most commonly, circle of fifths.